we'll hit back to number 26. Here we're being asked to place the 1821 Declaration of Independence in the context of Valle's changing political beliefs. So we read from the top of the bullets. Leaders of the province of Guatemala proclaimed independence for Central America from the Spanish Empire on September 15, 1821. Wonderful. Doesn't say anything about Valle, apparently. The accompanying Declaration of Independence was written by Honduran scholar and politician Jose Cecilio de Valle. Okay, so at least we've introduced him, so I'm going to write that down. Then, the 1812 Spanish Constitution, it provided some degree of independence for Central America, but it was repealed by the Spanish king in 1814. Well, that's background, but it's not about Valle's political beliefs that are changing. Then, Valle, a loyal advisor to the Spanish Empire's administrators in Central America, had long opposed independence. Well, that's his political belief. And then he changed his mind right after Colonel Rafael del Riego's 1820 revolt, which demanded the return of rights lost in 1814. So we've got these highlighted. We're looking for something that matches everything in the choices. So Colonel Riego's revolt was the inspiration that Valle, a long-standing opponent of Central American independence, needed to change his political beliefs, but we left out the 1821 Declaration of Independence, so we can eliminate A as missing half of the task. Then choice B, long an opponent of Central American independence, Valle changed his mind after an 1820 revolt and wrote the 1821 Declaration. That seems to be focused on Valle and does mention the declaration as required by the task. Then choice C, a change in Valle's political beliefs that occurred when the Spanish king repealed the 1812 Constitution. It didn't occur when the king repealed the Constitution. It was when there was that revolt in 1820. So C is out for introducing incorrect information. Then choice D, the writing of Central Americans' Declaration of Independence may not have happened were it not for Colonel Riego's 1820 revolt. Well, where is Valle? He's not there, so our correct answer is B.